Welcome to the heart of the rainforest. The sky weeps gently and the earth listens. Each drop of rain is a lullaby for the trees. The river flows like a quiet breath through the jungle. You are surrounded by life, rhythm, and silence. Leaves shimmer under the weight of the rain. Birds pause their songs as thunder hums in. The forest doesn't rush. It simply exists. Let your thoughts drift like mist between inches. Let your breath slow like the river wind through moss. You are safe here. You are held by nature's embrace. The rain falls harder now, but it doesn't disturb you. It washes away noise and leaves only peace. Close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of water, to the heartbeat of the forest, to the silence between the sounds. This is your moment to rest, to breathe. Please stay here as long as you need. The forest will wait for you, and the rain will keep singing.